Hi there, Leo here from HG Insights. Here to walk you through how, by using the world's most sophisticated form of market and account-based intelligence, we can help to identify, prioritize, and then engage a $1.7 billion HCM opportunity within EMEA. So we've come onto the HG Insights platform here and built the following segment. Company spending on human capital management within EMEA that are spending a minimum of $50,000 to ensure they have the propensity, who are using one of these 5 vendors: Workday, UKG, Infor, Ceridian, or Bamboo HR. And as you can see here, we're looking at the nearly 4,500 companies using these technologies, forecasted to spend $1.7 billion on HCM over the next 12 months. As we look through, we can understand by geography the total HCM opportunity, the number of companies from that geography, by industry, revenue range, and employee range. With the click of a button, we can get the full list of companies that make up this opportunity and rank them based on additional features, such as how long have they been using certain technologies? What is the veracity of use of certain technologies? Are they researching or evaluating different technologies or certain topics? And how much are they spending on the area of IT of interest? For the sake of today, we'll take a random company like Glencore. On the first page, you'll see a cleansed firmographic profile, revenue range, employee range. You'll see a full subsidiary breakdown on the right-hand side, where we have the ability to jump into any one of these subsidiaries to understand how this may differentiate from the global ultimate. We can then dive into their spend and understand, out of the $2.3 billion being spent on IT over the next 12 months, how does that break down across services, hardware, software, and comms? Specifically, in software, what are they forecasted to spend on HCM? We're seeing an $8.9 million HCM opportunity over the next 12 months. Now, to contextualize that, to see what that's made up from, we click into their install. As we click into their install, we're going to see the prerequisites to our search. Workday, UKG, we have a heavy Workday presence, first located in 2018, last seen being used as soon as April. And we have 25 individual documents and signals to prove it's within the account. So now we understand their Workday users, we want to understand, are Workday the dominant vendor within the account? To do this, we simply clear the search of vendors we had in, put in human capital management as our topic of interest, and we can see the full list of 23 products that Glencore currently use for their human capital management. And in fact, we see that it is SAP SuccessFactors who the dominant product and SAP vendor in the account. Started using them in 2013, picked them up again in April, and we have 82 individual signals and documents to prove it's in the account. We can even identify the individual locations it's being used. But more specifically, if we come into our functional area intelligence and we want to understand what message to lead with for an HR department at Glencore, well, we can see who are the top HR products being used specifically by HR. Well, SuccessFactors, no surprises there, as that was the most penetrated. But now we're seeing Safe Start, we're seeing Workday, we've got UKG in the account. How does this affect, alter, or help us in our approach to this account? Are there competitors in there? Are there integration partners in there? Or is this just a good proxy to understand they're taking their HCM seriously? Equally, if we wanted to dive specifically into SuccessFactors, as maybe there is a partner play here, we can understand that the top 5 departments using SuccessFactors are HR, but there is also an opportunity amongst engineering, IT, admin, and finance. Perhaps you're looking at a specific payroll solution. Perhaps it's a benefit solution that's more attributed to the finance department. Finally, we could jump into their intent tab and understand, out of the 14,500 topics they're researching, are they researching human resource management? Or even from a vendor perspective, are they researching a Workday? Now we'll click apply, and not only are we going to see the specific topics or vendors they're searching for, but we're also providing contextual information as we have a knowledge of what they currently have installed. Therefore, we can see here they're researching Workday, but they're researching it as a displacement opportunity, perhaps to displace SuccessFactors, UKG, or something else in the account. Does this provide an opportunity for you and your company to come in as they're researching this product? They're early on within their intent. We can tell you where they're researching. We can tell you the strength of that research. Or maybe you're looking for researching a specific topic. Well, here we have human resource management. So we know that they're looking to change, alter, or even increase their HR technology usage. And maybe this opportunity is ripe for the taking. Now, this was a quick walkthrough of how we can go from a market level opportunity down to a specific account, down to the individual messaging you need to help drive new logo sales, drive conversion rates, and essentially win more business for your company. Thank you so much for your time, and I look forward to hearing from you.